Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today we'll be making egg-free, gluten-free, keto and low-carb sweet cheese rolls. So straight into the ingredients. Here I have a cooking pot on an open hob. Place 1 cup of cool water. As always, I use standard cooking measuring cups, widely available. Then I will add a half a cup of your preferred keto appropriate sweetener. Today I'll be using a blend of stevia and erythritol. Mix till the sugar is melted and the water starts to boil. When the water starts to boil, I am now going to add a half a cup of coconut flour. Here is the brand I usually use. To that I will add 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese and mix till fully combined. And this is the consistency of the sweet dough that we are aiming for. When you achieve this, make sure to close the heat. Now we're going to add some flavor to our sweet dough. I'm going down the traditional route today, so I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and then a tablespoon of rose water. Then I'm going to mix. You can now use your hands as the heat is now turned off. And this is our lovely sweet dough. It smells of roses and cardamom. So now we're going to shape the dough. To shape, cut part of the dough. You can see the dough is fully malleable, and to prevent stickiness, I'm going to add some ghee or rose water to the surface. And to add some dimension to the sweet dough, I am going to add some edible dried rose petals. Please note this is completely optional. You can add whatever you like or completely leave it out. Then I'm going to roll out the sweet dough on top of the dried edible rose petals. We are aiming for quite a thin consistency of the dough. After rolling out our sweet dough, I am now going to use some clotted cream for our filling. Rubbing my hands with some melted ghee, I am going to shape the clotted cream and place at the outer edge of our rolled out sweet dough. And only roll once, and then you can sprinkle whatever you want on top. I sprinkled some dried rose petals and then cut into your desired size. You can of course decorate it on top with anything you want. Today I'll be using a single rose bud. Our sweet cheese rolls are now ready. You can leave it as it is, or today I'm going to add some keto appropriate sugar-free syrup. You can add whatever you want on top, whatever you prefer. Just a little tip, if you find the dough a little hard to work with, just pop it back into the microwave to make it slightly warm, which makes it easier to handle. Any questions, please leave them below. This is one of my favorite, easiest sweet treats I make for myself and the family. And until next time.